Welcome to SmartSuite's Assessment and Accreditation Solution Walkthrough. My name is Dhruv Purohit and I am a product specialist at SmartSuite, focused on helping colleges and universities modernize assessment, accreditation, and institutional effectiveness. Before we jump into the live platform, this quick slide shows how SmartSuite supports higher education across multiple operational areas: academic programs and quality, people and lifecycle, research, finance, and risk and compliance. Today we're focused on the academics, programs, and quality area, specifically outcomes on assessments, accreditation, reporting, and continuous improvement, where institutions need a connected system to manage assessment cycles, collaborate on narratives, and stay audit ready. Now let's go directly into the solution and see how this works in practice. I am currently logged into SmartSuite and opening the Assessment and Accreditation solution. This solution gives institutional effectiveness teams, assessment coordinators, faculty, and leadership a singular place to manage the full assessment lifecycle, from outcomes and methods to results, improvement actions, and supporting evidence. Instead of managing assessment across multiple spreadsheets, Word documents, shared drives, and email, everything lives in one structured, collaborative system. Out of the box, everything is already structured. We have units, assessment cycles, outcomes, methods, results, actions, and evidence repository. These aren't just tables, they're connected objects that automation and AI can work across to reduce repetitive effort. At a practical level, the system is designed so teams define once and reuse often. Outcomes persist across years, methods and rubrics don't need to be recreated, evidence is uploaded once and reused everywhere it needs to be applied. Because everything is structured and connected, AI agents work in the background, assisting with analysis, narrative drafting, and prioritization without changing your assessment model. Outcomes define what a program or unit intends to achieve. Opening the record view for outcomes, we're able to see all of the data very well organized. Now jumping to methods. Methods define how those outcomes are measured, including instrument type, scoring scale, data source, and frequency. Again, linking to the outcome, the details. Because outcomes and methods are structured, AI understands context, not just free text, which is allowed to assist meaningfully further in the process. Back in the assessment cycle table, we're able to get a thorough review of every upcoming, current, or past assessment and how it's being categorized. In this scenario, we're utilizing the AI field agent to perform analysis of the proposed assessment using the details that are part of the record. So we're asking the AI to create a 5-sentence summary based off of the details that have been inputted for the assessment. That can easily be run via any updates to the record or triggered manually using the run agent. I was able to successfully trigger the AI field agent to perform analysis for this cycle, and I can go ahead and open up this Smart Doc here as well. Moving to the evidence repository, the evidence repository centralizes syllabi, reports, data reports, and accreditation artifacts. Opening the record, we're able to see all the relationships and linked records that go to outcomes, methods, results, actions, and cycles. We're also able to see all the metadata and pieces of compliance associated with the evidence. We're also able to add any notes. And again, our Smart Doc field here allows us to, well, format all the data, and also, if we needed to leverage AI in the Smart Doc field as well. Our actions table helps as part of the process to ensure that improvement plans stay connected to results and can be identified for future assessment cycles, so everything is documented in a very orderly fashion. all the various data and tables, linked records, all roll up into dashboards. Leadership is able to see where outcomes are stable, improving, or declining. Coordinators see where follow-up is most urgent. Faculty see what's assigned to them. These various process and role-based dashboards give every team the customized views into the data that they may need. As we can see in this overall process dashboard, we're able to get various statistics on planning, assessments, reporting, review and actions. And for other roles, say such as dean, chair, academic leadership, we're able to customize the data and metrics that they're able to see pertaining to assessments and accreditation. Throughout this entire process, governance is preserved. AI outputs are clearly labeled as suggestions, fully editable and tracked, logged with history and context, and controlled based off of SmartSuite's role-based permissions. To wrap up, SmartSuite's assessment and accreditation solution combines a proven assessment framework with embedded AI agents that help institutions reduce time spent drafting and reviewing narratives, standardize analysis across programs, accelerate accreditation reporting, and maintain full transparency and control. Again, all in one place for all of your teams. AI doesn't just change how you assess, it helps you do it faster, more consistently, and with less friction. Thank you for watching, and we'd be happy to show you how this assessment and accreditation solution could work for your institution in your own customized way.